High in the canopy and deep in the shadows, a hidden war rages between two ancient rivals, the sky giants, majestic eagles, powerful owls, and towering cassowaries, and the silent strikers, stealthy pythons, swift vipers, and massive anacondas. This immersive adventure pulls back the curtain on their secret world, where every branch might conceal a feathered hunter, and every patch of grass might hide a scaly ambush. Ibis birds are known for their distinctive long, downward-curved beak, perfect for probing in mud and shallow water for food. Ibis are highly social and live in large flocks. They often fly in a V formation during migration to conserve energy. Ibis birds typically nest in colonies, often building platform nests in trees or reeds near water. Flamingos come in 6 species, including the greater, lesser, Chilean, Andean, James's, and American flamingo. Flamingos are found in Africa, South America, the Caribbean, the Middle East, and parts of Europe and Asia. Flamingos often stand on one leg to conserve body heat, especially in cooler water. Flamingos come in 6 species, including the greater, lesser, Peacocks are considered symbols of immortality, royalty, and spirituality in cultures around the world, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Christianity. Peacocks have a very loud, high-pitched call, especially during the mating season or when alarmed. Peacocks have a long train of iridescent tail feathers, called a train, used for courtship displays. Black swans are strong flyers and can travel hundreds of kilometers between water sources, especially during drought. Black swans usually form lifelong pair bonds and are highly devoted partners and parents. Black swans have been introduced to New Zealand, Europe, and parts of Asia for ornamental and park use. Secretary bird is a tall African raptor known for hunting snakes by stomping them to death. Secretary bird builds large nests high in trees, despite living mostly on the ground. Secretary bird belongs to the raptor family but prefers running over flying during hunts. Secretary bird is listed as vulnerable due to habitat destruction and declining numbers. Spoonbills are named for their spatula-shaped bill, which helps them sweep through water to catch food. Spoonbills often nest in large groups, usually with other water birds like herons or ibises. Like flamingos, some spoonbills' pinkish hues come from the carotenoids in their food. Some spoonbill species are threatened due to habitat loss, pollution, and disturbance. Owls have fixed tubular eyes. They can't move them, but can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Owls have long legs hidden under feathers. What looks like their knees are actually ankles. Owls appear in mythology as symbols of wisdom, Greek Athena, or omens of death, Roman folklore. Some owls, like the burrowing owl, mimic rattlesnake hisses to scare off predators. Ostriches can run up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. Their legs are strong enough to deliver powerful kicks that can kill predators like lions. Dust bathing. Ostriches often take dust baths to keep their feathers clean and free of parasites. They swallow pebbles and sand to help grind up food in their gizzard. Ostriches eat mostly plants. Toucans are best known for their huge, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Toucans can fly, but they prefer to hop from branch to branch. Their flight is short, bouncy, and not very graceful. Toucans are known for being intelligent, curious, and sometimes even playful, especially in captivity. Toucans are best known for their huge, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Eagles are known for their incredible flying skills and can soar at altitudes over 10,000 feet, 3,000 meters. Eagles have exceptional eyesight, about 4 to 8 times sharper than humans, allowing them to spot prey from miles away. Eagles build enormous nests called eyries, or eyries, sometimes over 10 feet wide. You'll witness the heart-pounding moment. An eagle snatches a snake mid-strike. The tense standoff between a secretary bird and a cobra, and the cunning tactics both predators use to survive. Interactive elements bring these struggles to life. Lift flaps to reveal how serpents use heat-sensing pits to track warm-blooded prey.